powder blankets the Bear River Range. The fresh snow is so deep and soft it is keeping riders off of steep upper elevation slopes. Riders are finding plenty of challenge, though, and fantastic powder in lower angled and lower elevation terrain. Strong south winds Thursday and west winds yesterday drifted the deep powder and exposed terrain, ripping it off windward facing slopes or fetch areas and depositing it into lee slope deposition areas. Dangerous avalanche conditions exist now on drifted upper and mid elevation slopes, with humid triggered avalanches likely. Evaluate snow and terrain carefully, use caution while route finding, and make conservative decisions. And you should avoid travel on or under steep drifted slopes today in the backcountry.